Oh my god, it's so cool. Oh, this is gonna be a big one. Oh my god, that is incredible. Oh my god. Wow. This is really cool. I should show you the other side, all the way around. I'm just going to step away from the firing zone. I've got some really cool rock here. And so out where those sand dunes are right there, that's kind of where I'm staying. It's more like over there, but anyway, this is amazing. Oh, and also on the other side of that, there's this really cool thing called the tub. I have taken a couple of photos, but I'll take a video in a little bit once I stop being mesmerized by this amazingness.